As we all know, we can have various types of garage doors. We range from sectional to up and over doors. These are the two main categories. Obviously, within these, there are various types. There can be a sectional door with springs. It can be a sectional door with a pulley system. There can be an up and over door with counterweights, an up and over door with springs, or the up and over door with a central spring. Based on the choice of this door, depending on the type of our door, we will choose the most suitable product. We will easily recognize our doors as starting with the up and over doors. Those with counterweights have two side channels with two guides where actual counterweights slide, which can be iron or concrete counterweights, and we will see return wheels at the top. Otherwise, we have those with springs where we will find a side lever system on which springs are anchored that serve to provide the counterweight to the door and the correct balance. The other type of up and over door is the one with the central spring that runs along the axis of the door itself. This should be considered a counterweight movement. So you will need to choose the motor taking into account the type of movement of the door itself.